I am going to show you a method to remove items from your Disney Plus watch history, even though there's no built-in option yet. First, log into your Disney Plus account. On the home page, scroll down to continue watching or any title you recently viewed that you want to clear. Select the movie or episode you'd like to remove from your history. For example, this Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Alright, next, fast forward all the way to the end of the title. You can do this by dragging the playback bar or by tapping ahead until the credits finish. So this action marks the title as fully watched, which removes it from the continue watching section and effectively clears it from your recent activity. Keep in mind, this process does require patience since you may need to wait until the credits finish playing for the title to be cleared. Return to the home page and check that the title has been removed. So the Diary of a Wimpy Kid isn't here, so the method worked.